Hey guys, I just want to show you my mom's garden. She lives in a townhome, and this is just literally, I'd say 15 feet, 10-15 feet wide, 12 foot maybe. That's actually the master bedroom right there. And look at what she got. This is the length of the garage. I say it about 18 to 20 feet, so about 200 to 250, 300 square foot max. And this is how much she's growing. I mean, look at that garden looking so good. This is July of 2020. See what she got here? Some cilantro. Not cilantro, I'm sorry, celery. Asian celery, Chinese celery is very, very strong. Very pungent, very strong. She's trying to grow some avocado there. It's looking good. I think she's trying to grow this for the fall, so she's hiding this under the water hose right here. And man, she got a lot of stuff. Perilla, a lot of perilla, and mint, marigold, some onions in here. Oh my gosh, like this is so much. This is with why the crab we order that they shipped, and she just turned that into a growing bin. Back there she got onion chive, fish mint. I don't know how she's gonna go. Oh, she probably stepped right here to go in and pick it. But this is the bitter herb. It's called rau đắng. It's bitter. I don't know why we Asian we like the funky looking taste. It's so bittery, but she had a little pot going on here, and some more celery, Asian celery that are flowering. She's trying to save some seeds. A giant marigold plant, a bush. It has a lot of marigolds along here, and a bunch of hot pepper in there. I'm not sure what kind yet, but the leaves are kind of big. She's kind of questioning about it. Some zinnia, eggplant, and the white eggplant. And look at that. Let me go and step in here. Look at that hot pepper. Oh, this is like spicy. And look at that jasmine. I have these jasmine at home. Actually, I gave one of these to her. And look at how she got giant flower. I mean, look at that right there. This is the size of my finger. It's my index finger right here. And imagine this is like two times the width of my fingers. And then she got like 2-3 of them around here. It's just like very, very good. Smells really good. And let me get out of here. Oh gosh. Oops. You got a patch of basil, Thai basil. We love Thai basil, so every year we just have a lot. And she keep cutting and eating. She stuck some. I actually gave her a few root. You know, the one that I root in earlier in the spring. And she threw out some seeds too, so she got different sizes there. A little marigold down here, a little perilla, and tomato. I don't know what kind. She said it doesn't matter as long as they grow tomatoes, she'll eat them all. And look at that. That is a lemon balm. Wait, she grows a lot of hot pepper. Oh, she got some dills back there. Some dills going on back there, and some more tomatoes. Looks like she's been harvesting some dills and another tomato. She has a lot of tomatoes in this tiny little place. It's just like crazy. It's crazily packed, and it's so prolific. It's so green. It's so much fruit and going on here. That's how another hot pepper. This is culantro. Culantro is ngò gai in Vietnamese, and every year this little guy just seed, and next year it'll grow, and she just saves some and just have some just grow for the year. She said she's been eating them. Got tomato. It's still green. Oh my gosh, you have tomatoes already. Mine's about green too. Mine's a couple of better bush are green right now. It take a while. I think the air condition is going, so it's kind of loud in the background there. She got some cucumber, pickling cucumber, so cute. And then one of my Asian cucumber, she said it's too spiky for her. It is too spiky. And some more tomatoes in the pot, some crab claws underneath here. A lot of things are, and she's trying to spread some of these culantro around. And some more tomatoes. These are hot pepper. These are really spicy. I just had a couple and it's really spicy. It's really good. We love them. Here, look at her cucumber. She says she got 9. She already picked a couple. Tomorrow we're gonna pick some more, but look, there's some more coming. So you gotta pick your cucumbers so more will produce. Well, she told me that she's waiting on this little thing to fall off on its own, but I think that's ready to be. Oh, don't tell her that. I just moved. It fell off. I'm gonna go and tell her it fell off, so she needs to pick that one. More tomatoes along this right here. I think she said these are little cherry tomato, but I'm not sure. Some more crab claws underneath one of these pot. Culantro here and there underneath here. And let's go on this side. You got some bitter melons, vines, a few rolling around here and some right there. There's a few around. You can see that's one. She said they're kind of like hidden. She's like sometimes you see them, sometimes you don't. There's one right there. Right there. So it's a couple over here somewhere. But right here. But no, she says to have about 5 or 6 hidden around. And she just made this past weekend for the bitter melon to grow. And of course some more tomatoes over here. She's not sure what's going on with this cucumber, and it has a lot of the little spiky, and it's too spiky. She doesn't like it, so she might just kind of take it out. And she got 2 or 3 gourd, the regular Asian gourd. And that's so cute. They have a lot of flowers. But right now, this is the gourd. It's a little baby, but they grow to a good size, and they're so prolific. They're so prolific. I mean, I was counting these, just like 2, 3 of them, and I have like so many of them. So yeah, maybe next year I'll find me a spot at my own place, my house, for a couple of gourd vines. Some more hot pepper, of course, and she's been picking a lot of green beans. She said she's gonna pick some more tomorrow. She left some up here, right there. She said that leave them on one more day. There's a little baby down there. And yard beans is over here, so that will be coming up in a little bit later in the next month or so. Of course, a hidden hot pepper, a little mint area. Oh, not a hot pepper, not a hot pepper. I think there's hot pepper all around there. A lot of Coriander along here. Some extra mint and watercress. She just threw them in here and it took off, so she might do a little bit bigger pot for it. Also managed to get some mums. She likes mums, so she got some of these giant mums. And what is this one? This is I think it's a little carnation. It's a little carnation plant, flower. She showed me the photo. Is really really nice. It's red. This nice little ground cover here, really cute. Let me see if I can go to the front. Last year she had a lot in the front by the doorstep, but I'm not sure. This is the neighbor's side. Let's go to the front. So this is the front, stepping out front side of the townhome. She likes some flowers too, so she got some of these gardenias. I think they already been done, and some sunflowers. She likes sunflowers. Let me go down this way. Last year or two, she kind of stopped these soil, the ground here. It was all pebbles and stuff, so just kind of stopped that and pile it up with soil. But some cosmos, so cute. More marigolds and zinnia. Purple perillas are everywhere. Look at that flower. It's gonna bring some butterflies and bees over here to pollinate all this. This is a patch of ram is the Vietnamese coriander or Vietnamese mint for a lot of salad. We throw those in salad gỏi and stuff. Some of these looks like amaranth, the red amaranth. A lot of marigolds. She likes marigolds. Looks like she threw out some amaranth seeds. Look at that. I think these are eggplant. I wonder if she knows that because she got a couple of eggplants in the back. Looks like this is an eggplant. But it's here in the shade, so it's not doing too well. She needs to move them. I think these are weeds. That's a weed, but this looks like amaranth. A little bit of fish mint there. We love fish mint. Well, not my sister, but a lot of us eat fish mint. It's really good for you. Looks like somebody's been harvesting while that's growing. We still got that one. And on this side, oh yeah, she got her cherry tomatoes. Look, they're still green right now. Cool. So yeah, these are really, really sweet when they're ripe. And I mean, all you need is just one. It's called 100 or cherry 100 or something like that. When I first bought it, and every year ever since, I just give it to her, and you know, we have so many of these. But yeah, look at those tomatoes. Can't wait for them to turn red. And she was saying something about the front. They was doing something like the maintenance yard. The maintenance folks are doing something, so she doesn't really want to grow them up here. I see a little mint back here and there, because in the front it looks like it's a little shady back here in the afternoon. But she said more mainly she growing flowers in the front. She decided to left that there, but I heard she said that she wants to keep it all just no vegetables and stuff. Maybe it's too hard to water or something. Yeah, I think it was too hard to water, because she had to go out with that, and that sometimes can be discouraged. But this is the front, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, you can grow food in anywhere. She has a lot of pots in the back, and she used to grow a lot in the pot. I used to too. So grow some food, grow you some tomatoes, some cucumber or something, you know. This is like a tiny little place, and she's able to grow the majority of the food that we eat here. And we come over here and we pick too sometimes. But I hope you enjoy these videos, and click that like button, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.